Welcome back to Daily Drives that brings you the future of travel, innovation, and adventure every single day. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore the machines that move us into tomorrow. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting releases for outdoor lovers and road warriors alike, the 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper. Get ready to discover the ultimate mobile lifestyle built for the future. Ford has taken a bold step forward in redefining what it means to travel in comfort with the 2026 Motorhome Camper. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Designed with smart technology, eco-conscious engineering, and a dash of luxury, this camper is built for those who want to take the road less traveled without leaving behind the conveniences of home. Let's start with what powers this beast. The 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper is available with a hybrid powertrain and a fully electric option, both designed to maximize range and reduce environmental impact. The hybrid version combines a V6 turbo engine with an electric assist, while the EV variant offers over 300 miles of range on a full charge. Fast charging capabilities ensure you're back on the road in no time, making this camper perfect for long road trips with minimal downtime. From the outside, the camper showcases a modern aerodynamic design that's both stylish and functional. The exterior features a bold front fascia, high-mounted LED lighting, solar panels on the roof, and side storage panels that slide open with a touch. It sits on a reinforced chassis that provides extra ground clearance for off-road adventures, while adaptive air suspension gives you a smooth ride whether you're cruising highways or exploring rugged trails. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a space that feels more like a boutique apartment than a vehicle. The interior of the 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper is a masterpiece of smart design and comfort. Premium leather seating, real wood accents, and ambient lighting create a cozy, yet sophisticated environment. The camper sleeps up to 4 adults comfortably with a convertible rear lounge, a pop-up rooftop bed, and hidden fold-out beds that maximize space without sacrificing style. At the heart of the interior is a smart infotainment hub with a 15-inch touchscreen that controls everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment and security. Voice commands and smartphone integration make it easy to manage your environment on the go. The kitchen area is equipped with an induction cooktop, a compact oven, a full-size refrigerator, and a sink with touchless controls. Storage is cleverly tucked away in every corner so you can bring along everything you need for a long-term journey. One of the standout features is the bathroom, a rarity in most compact campers. The 2026 Ford model includes a full wet bath with a retractable shower head, a composting toilet, and antimicrobial surfaces throughout. Plus, it features a self-cleaning system that uses UV light technology to keep everything fresh and sanitary. But what truly sets this camper apart is its smart living capabilities. The camper comes equipped with Ford's latest AI-driven travel assistant, which helps plan routes, find campsites, and even suggest local attractions and restaurants along the way. The solar panel system is connected to a high-capacity battery bank, allowing you to live off-grid for days at a time without sacrificing electricity. There's even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot powered by satellite connectivity, so you're always connected, no matter how remote your destination. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With Ford Copilot 360, you get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking assistance all working together to make sure your journey is as safe as it is smooth. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time traveler, the 2026 Ford Motorhome Camper is built to make your dreams a reality. It blends innovation, comfort, and capability in a way that feels truly futuristic. And most importantly, it brings the freedom of the open road within reach, no matter where you want to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of mobile living, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Daily Drives, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the most exciting vehicles of tomorrow. Let us know in the comments where you'd take the new Ford Motorhome Camper first. Until next time, keep exploring, stay safe, and drive into the future.